For those of us in the fundraising profession, there's nothing quite like the elation of closing a significant gift. You've worked hard and then you feel the reward. I've been there. I'm sure you have as well. I wonder how many of us stop and think about what the donor may be feeling. Is he sensing relief that you'll leave him alone for a while? Does she feel that she gave you just enough to give her some peace? I certainly hope not. I'd like to think that the donor is even more pleased than we are at their gift. After all, they're getting the better end of the bargain, the fulfillment of their closely held values and dreams. Or at least they should be. The unique fundraising idea is to work toward maximizing the donor's joy in giving. If you're focused on the donor's benefit from a gift, a couple of things will happen. First, you'll almost certainly be able to go back to the donor and ask again. Second, the gift you receive now will be but a fraction of the lifetime value of this donor to your organization. Think donor value in terms of years, 5 years, 10 years, and beyond. Principle 7 of the 8 principles is renew and refresh. Renew first, then refresh to increase the number of your investors.